All right, guys, guess what time it is? It's time for Bath & Body Works annual candle day where we can go and save the most money on their 3-wick candles. But I'm going to show you how to make your day easier and to make the most bang for your buck. First, let's go over some basics. Candle day this year is for 2 days on December 2nd and December 3rd. There's also the usual early access online December 1st from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. Next, you'll want to check what time your store opens. I suggest going to Google and search Bath & Body Works and then select the location you want to go to. There will be a drop-down menu, and as you can see, my store is opening on Friday and Saturday at 5 a.m. Next, you'll want to make sure that you're signed up for the mailing list. You'll get these in the mail regularly, and you can use them with your purchases. I have a 10 off of 40, so I'll save an additional $10. The only thing is that if you are shopping online, you cannot use those coupons. There is a coupon code associated with each coupon that you get in the mail so that you can use it online. But if you're getting your candles online and not going in store, Bath & Body Works makes you enter a code to get the candle day price. And you can't stack both codes. The next tip I have for you is to go online on the app and take a look at the different scents that they have that will be available starting on Candle Day. They also bring back old favorites and classic ones. Once you know what scents you want to get and you have your coupons, now it's time to go to the store. Now that we're at the store and we've picked out all of our candles, now we're going to do something to save a little bit more money. You're going to go here to the Ibotta app. Then you're going to go down there where it says gift cards and you're going to click that. Then you're going to purchase a gift card and you'll get back 3%. I purchased a $100 gift card and I got back $3. After you get your gift card, just go to the wallet portion down below in your app, enter in the numbers to redeem that gift card, and then all you have to do when you check out is show them that barcode and it will deduct the money from your gift cards. Now it's time for a little candle day math. If you have a 10 off of 30, you'll need to get 4 candles at $9.95 a piece. It'll equal out to $39.80 and you'll use your 10 off of 30 coupon. You'll pay $28.80. You'll have $3 back from buying your Bath & Body Works gift card, making it $26.80 for 4 candles or about $6.70 per candle. So those are my tips for you to save the most money and make your candle day the easiest. So may the odds be ever in your favor.